Here's how car manufacturers take normal cars like this and photograph them to look like this. Toyota GB kindly invited me down to a professional photo shoot to see what goes on behind the scenes. First up, we had to clean the car, but without using any water, because nobody likes a drip. Once the car is in position, they then paint the floor with actual paint. This is to remove the tyre marks from moving the car around. Finally, the photographing can begin. The photographer will use a long exposure whilst dragging light over the car. This will ensure that the car is well lit in the final image. Next, the photographer will focus on creating a nice shadow on the floor, and lastly, the vehicle lights are photographed separately. Now, the coolest part of these images are the red stripes in the background. Again, this was taken with a long exposure, and a set of lights on a trolley are dragged around the car. I don't have time in this video, but let me know if you'd like to see how to edit a light painted photo. And if you'd like to see more of my GR Yaris, please check out my YouTube channel, JBCTR.